Imagine a universe so vast, so breathtaking, that every glance reveals something more beautiful than the last. In 2025 and 2026, the James Webb Space Telescope has peeled back layers we never knew existed, showing us cosmic nurseries, dying stars, and galaxies swirling in colors our eyes were never meant to see. This is the most beautiful objects in the universe, a journey through the wonders captured by Hubble, JWST, and more. From glowing nebulae that look like paintings, to galaxies that dance across billions of years. Join me as we explore these masterpieces of the cosmos. Let's begin right now. Let's drift to one of the most dramatic and awe-inspiring regions in the sky, the Orion Nebula. Located about 7,500 light-years away in the southern constellation Carina, this vast cloud of gas and dust spans over 300 light-years, making it one of the largest star-forming regions we can see. At its heart lies the famous Mystic Mountain, towering pillars of dense gas and dust rising like cosmic cliffs, sculpted by the fierce ultraviolet radiation and stellar winds from incredibly massive young stars. These pillars are nurseries where new stars are being born right now, hidden inside glowing cocoons, while others erupt and carve out glowing cavities around them. Hubble first revealed the intricate details in visible light, rich oranges, reds, and blues swirling in breathtaking contrast. But the James Webb Space Telescope's infrared vision pierces the dust, uncovering thousands of previously invisible baby stars, protoplanetary disks, and the raw power shaping this chaotic yet beautiful landscape. The Orion Nebula is a place of extremes. Violent creation, destruction, and rebirth, all happening at once. A living masterpiece that reminds us how stars and planets come to life in the heart of the cosmos. The Orion Nebula, or Messier 42. This stunning stellar nursery sits just 1,344 light-years away, the closest large star-forming region to Earth. Visible even to the naked eye as a fuzzy spot in Orion's sword, below the famous belt, it spans about 25 light-years and glows with the light of thousands of young, hot stars. At its heart is the trapezium cluster, 4 massive, brilliant stars arranged like a tiny trapezoid. Their intense, ultraviolet radiation carves out cavities in the gas and dust, sculpting dramatic pillars and triggering new star births. Through Hubble's eyes, we see vibrant pinks, oranges, and blues, gas clouds lit up like an artist's canvas. But JWST's infrared views go deeper, cutting through the dust to reveal hidden protostars erupting in fiery detail, protoplanetary disks where planets may form. And even hundreds of free-floating planetary mass objects, some in surprising binary pairs called Ju-MBOs. It's a place of raw creation. Chaos turning into stars, planets, and the building blocks of life. A cosmic masterpiece right in our backyard, reminding us how dynamic and beautiful the universe truly is. Now, let's turn to our closest major galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31. This magnificent spiral galaxy lies about 2.5 million light-years away in the constellation of Andromeda, making it the nearest large galaxy to our Milky Way, and one of the few visible to the naked eye on dark nights as a faint, hazy patch. Spanning roughly 220,000 to 260,000 light-years across, Andromeda is larger than our own galaxy, home to around 1 trillion stars, far more than the Milky Way's hundreds of billions. Its grand spiral arms swirl with glowing pink star-forming regions, dark dust lanes, and a bright central bulge packed with ancient stars. Hubble's massive mosaics reveal millions of individual stars and clusters in stunning detail, while infrared views highlight hidden dust and gas fueling new generations of stars. As our cosmic sibling, Andromeda is hurtling toward us at about 110 kilometers per second. Recent studies, including 2025-26 analyses from Gaia data, show roughly a 50% chance of a direct collision in the next 4 to 10 billion years. Likely a gentle merger forming a giant elliptical galaxy, not a destructive crash, since stars are so far apart. It's a beautiful reminder of the dynamic dance of galaxies and our shared future in the local group. Pause here and imagine the slow, majestic approach unfolding over billions of years. Under a clear, dark night sky, away from city lights, the Milky Way appears as a breathtaking band of countless stars stretching across the heavens, a majestic river of light that has inspired wonder for millennia. This is our home galaxy, a vast barred spiral structure spanning roughly 100,000 to 120,000 light-years, containing between 200 and 400 billion stars. From our position inside the galaxy, we see it edge on. The bright band we observe is the dense disk, where most of the stars, gas, and dust are concentrated in a relatively thin layer. Look closely at this beautiful panorama. Scattered throughout are regions where new stars are actively forming, vast clouds of gas giving birth to the next generation of suns and worlds. Interwoven are dark lanes, dense clouds of interstellar dust that block distant starlight, creating shadowy paths and adding incredible depth and mystery to the view. Toward the brightest and densest part of the band lies the galactic core, the heart of the Milky Way. This central region is packed with millions of stars and is home to a supermassive black hole millions of times more massive than our sun. Our solar system orbits this center at tremendous speed, about 828,000 kilometers per hour, taking roughly 230 million years to complete one full journey around the galaxy. We are made of the same stardust as these distant stars, atoms forged in ancient stellar furnaces, now gazing back at the cosmos. On our small pale blue dot, we are humble observers in this enormous, dynamic galaxy. One that has been evolving for over 13 billion years and continues to create new stars even today. This is the Milky Way, our cosmic home, visible overhead on clear, moonless nights, a truly beautiful reminder of our place in the universe. Next time you look up into the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the wonder above. This is the beauty of the universe, not distant, not unreachable, but right above us every clear night whispering, "You belong here." And perhaps this is the last glimpse we share in this journey. Thank you for traveling the cosmos with me.